Strength, right, kid? Yeah, I love it.
So again, you are a cop. We are all bad guys, but you are a cop. I'm gonna have to do the whole intro again. So reenactment. I know I'm ugly. Don't look at me. Well, hi guys, my name is Bruno. I'm so sorry for everything. This is my channel. I do commentary on whatever I want. This is my roof. And we are in quarantine. I hope you stay safe in your home. I shaved my beard, that's why my face is weird like that. This is what happened with my face when there's anything cover it. So I'm so sorry for you guys. If there's kids watching this video, run. And today we're gonna watch the movie Puzzle Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. Unnecessary. So let's begin. If you like videos like that, you can subscribe. If not, I completely understand. Let's go. And please wash your hands. I look like I have 20 years old. I hate that. I'm pretty sure that Birds of Prey is not gonna be the Birds of Prey that I want. That is they singing Birds of Prey. Like, you know, when Lantern has a special wing, pretty from that little thing. Thank God that Jared Leto is not in this movie. Because, and let's go. For 1 minute I thought that it was Margot.
This is me, HARLEY QUINN.
Wow.
I'm with ADHD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love, it's not easy.
So she's bi.
We broke up.
End of the movie.
I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I had to find a new identity. A new me.
Margot Robbie is so beautiful.
New love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to be free to move on, to make new friends.
So, Harley Quinn is in a villain. She's just living up there.
Sit your skinny ass down, dumb slut.
Okay.
Come on, turn it up. Shut her down.
I love Eva McGregor, oh my god.
I do get the joke on the best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand.
Oh.
Find me a new driver.
I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object.
Okay, this movie is a little comical.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own.
Oh, girl, let's drink.
Wow, that's a bad script.
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden.
I love her blouse.
Well, luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
Drunk. I love this song. Which song is this? Nobody's gonna arrest her because there was a big family.
This is our story. I'm telling it, so I'll start where I fucking want.
Fair.
Well, she made captain. She got stuck at detective level with this idiot.
You think one guy got all four?
He's hot.
I'm sorry.
I already like her. Oh my god. Mary Elizabeth Winston, thank you so much for existing. I love you all. Guys, I shoot Gemini Man, but I still didn't release it. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna release it. But I'm so happy that we live in a world where Mary Elizabeth Winston exists. So let's continue.
Yeah,
Do you know who I am?
you fucking bitch.
Who is her? Canary.
This arrow through his throat?
I love this transition.
The silence.
Oh, I love this actor also. Wait, what are they doing? Taking her faces. It's not how skin works, bro. She's gonna kill her.
A whack job at the pension for peeling faces is Roman Sionis, aka Black Mass.
Okay, but that's not how faces work.
Breakfast.
Wow, that eggs look good.
Perfect egg sandwich.
She's not gonna eat it, right?
Yeah, I don't think so. Community I'd enjoyed for so long was gone.
I mean, you can hide in a public place because...
Every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. I wronged a lot of people.
She's not gonna eat it.
Tragedy struck.
No.
I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine, it was dumb luck. Still, that felt pretty great.
Yeah, it was dumb luck, but that was good.
Harley Quinn.
Yeah.
He's hot.
I made a long time for this. On my face!
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Right.
Not Quinn.
And that makes him immune to the law, Captain. Montoya
I
thinks
love
going
this
to
actress.
bad for
She's
promotion.
from American
That's
Housewife.
the real target is the Bertinelli's super secret offshore bank accounts. The rock was lost, and with it, the only key to the Bertinelli fortune.
Wow, that's a big walk.
He gets the diamond, he'll have all the money and connections to bribe every single judge and cop he needs to get a monopoly on the city.
There's a lot of exposition in this movie.
Let's go.
I'll save my voice for this.
Is that the diamond? My diamond? Who's got it? She's a pickpocket. Her name's Cassandra Cain. Holy fuck.
You're gonna believe in someone random, really?
Yes, Ken, I'm here to report a terrible crime.
She wasn't arrested before. What's she throwing? Glitter. That was a nice shot. I like that. I love that no one tried to shoot her.
I'm telling this a little wrong. Let's rewind.
Oh my god, the movie's gonna be that, back and forth. Oh my god, yes. No, I don't wanna hit you. Quit for break. Go.
This is a man's world.
But she prefers Black Canary. She's got a killer voice.
I can. Loans, liquidity, laundering.
You know what's my favorite movie of Evan McGregor is Big Fish and Stories. It's an amazing movie.
Blah, blah, blah. Fake. Fucking fucks.
Okay, slow down.
He's gonna regret that.
Oh, okay. That's a beautiful voice. Oh, that's why it's Canary.
Ouch. The Harley Quinn's role is to serve.
They're lesbians, because I know the Harley Quinn is bi.
Yeah, Harley Quinn's nothing without a master. Forget this time. And for the first time.
That starting of her chest is what? Paper glue? Because it's not a tattoo.
Sure. Strength.
Wow, that was hard. He's hot, but don't worry. She's gonna back up. Okay, I understand that's a comic, but like, the fights are very fake.
Go to driving gig. Be here tomorrow.
He's hot.
9 a.m.
A position, I might add, that wouldn't have been vacant without the help of yours truly.
Yes, I remember.
Shit, you do have something on your face. You should have seen the other guy.
It's very nice that this kid is her first role. That's a big role. Congratulations.
He's also a very dangerous man. A criminal.
Man's
Murderer.
world.
What would your mother think of you working for a guy like that, huh?
Don't talk about my mother.
Capitulated. Capitulated. Of course they did.
Capitulated.
People don't kill people I own without my permission. Well, why doesn't this crossbow guy know that? You know that. I know.
The hierarchy of villains in Gotham is very confusing.
It's beautiful.
It's dirty. Here, look at this.
Oh. I don't know, let this song.
When marimba rhythms start to play.
Oh.
Where the fuck's timing? I just fucking had it.
He's a bad guy if he didn't notice someone takes his pocket. Bruno,
I mean, swallowing that diamond is called a
oh no.
competition.
I'm gonna get your diamond back.
Kiss. Please
Please
kiss.
go downstairs.
Everything that I
Thank you,
want.
let Harley did.
Kiss.
Oh, I thought it was
Slowly.
it.
Yeah, I wanted to do that for quite some time.
Okay. Oh, okay. Hi.
I don't care what it takes. I want my diamond back.
Can someone light the lights? It's very dark here.
Oh god, stop. You're gonna do that thing where you open up the weird ass case of torture devices while inexplicably detailing your master plan. No, I don't fit it.
I'm building it better.
Seriously, you don't have to, really.
Exactly. I don't have time for that.
Seriously, look in my pocket.
The business card.
See what it says there from the bottom.
Life coach.
Pinky swear. Cross my heart, hold the fire.
You're so tiresome.
Continental diamonds are girls' best friends.
Am I drunk? No. What was the point of that scene? Oh shit.
What? I think it's okay.
Okay, that was not necessary. It could be gradual. I didn't need so forward and back. What did this help me? What this kind of storytelling helped me? Anything.
Still 7.
No cop has guns. Oh, we're gonna ruin the makeup. You too much concealer. Oh my god, problems. I'm gonna vote the same, but pay attention. Notice this kind of fight scenes. It's a lot of people against one, but even though it's not everyone at the same time, it's one at a time, and it looks very fake. It looks like they're just waiting for Harley Quinn to punch other guy and then I go. So I think it's fake, but okay, it's a comic. See? Everyone stopped. Everyone's just waiting. Harley Quinn is a good fighter. Okay, where's the police?
Need to get alive.
Thank you for saying now. That was nice, I like that. Yeah. Okay, I like that scene. Oh, is this coke? Wow, she likes to break legs. Where's the little girl? Do something, Cassandra. Oh, what is it? Oh, finally a gun. I like that.
You.
With your words like knives and wood. Okay, she's really good, that's it. Fun thing, this song, Roller Coaster, is playing in the first death scene of Final Destination 3, a movie where Mary Elizabeth Winstead is the main character. I only say this because I love Final Destination. By the way, a movie that I have to watch the whole franchise in this channel.
Whoa. Okay, Shirley.
Frida Kahlo. So there's no rules in this movie because there's no cop, there's no consequences for anything.
Why not? Guys, I ate it, okay?
That was stupid. I was gonna say that.
Shopping at fancy ass stores. You're making bank. You have your own business. How'd you
And
do it?
nobody's looking for you. That's the best part.
This is Doc's place. And this is Doc.
No.
And he happens to be the only person who actually cares about me.
I do?
Yes.
Everyone's looking for you. And you.
We know.
So, are you telling me that Harley Quinn is being looked for everybody and nobody knows where Harley Quinn lives? Really? This movie is so weird. Eh? It looks like a lot of theater kids wrote this movie and it had a big budget.
No.
Oh, she's so cute.
It's art. Don't touch.
That's a Brazilian name.
Nope.
Oh my god, that's barely any cereal.
Who are you?
They call me.
My dad should have introduced you. I'll make it quick.
Oh my god, please. I'm not gonna get angry because she's Mary Elizabeth Winstead character, but I can handle this back and forth.
Find her whole family in the living room.
Oh, she's not gonna die.
When one of the goons finds the kid alive,
He's
love
hot.
assassins. She has the murder stuff down to the
So
rest.
hot.
Huntress.
She calls herself Huntress.
Oh, good, you got it. Did you trace the messages?
So is this a present? Is this the past? I don't know anymore.
Watch any cop movie ever, you know that this is when shit gets real. No cop ever gets anything done until after they've been suspended.
That's exactly true.
You said they wouldn't find us.
Relax. Everyone knows we're here.
HARLEY QUINN. This is Gotham Police.
Okay, so they know. Scream.
Man, what that means? They didn't have sex?
Here, boy.
No, the hyena died.
No.
I'm sorry, Lotus Loud.
Oh, dog, why you did this? And where's Bruce? Oh my god, so many songs that it doesn't fit.
Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Fire away.
Are you a real tough cooking with the longest to read?
You want me to kill her?
No.
No.
Yes. No, I mean no. So what's the point of this mask? Like, is this supposed to be scary? I didn't understand it.
Why don't you hit me with your best shot?
Gotham's so weird, guys.
Get me out there. I didn't have a choice. And if you don't before he gets here, everything will be fine.
So they should take the laxative because this is not gonna get ready.
Right in the face.
Okay, that was
I
fast.
feel like I just walked in on something I don't give two shits about. This guy's dead, so I'm just gonna get out of your hair, cool? No, wait, she's lying.
Okay, I'm so angry that it's 1 hour and 20 minutes of the movie and the birds of prey are together now.
They call me Helena Bertinelli. For fuck's sake, it's in the Bertinelli massacre.
Again, what's the point of the mask?
Can you shit?
We're gonna walk together. We'll get out of here in one piece, okay?
They're gonna sing it.
Okay.
So it's 5 girls, one with is a kid against the army. Okay.
I funded you. I protected
Oh,
you.
they are
I
all
scratched your backs and
men.
kept you ill.
Of course.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues. I don't have rage issues!
You know, psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for.
Yeah.
I'm loving that she's bringing more her psychological degree in this movie. That's nice. Nice fight. Let's go. Why did people have masks? That choreography must have taken so many times. Okay, now the movie is getting interesting. When it's 20 minutes to end. Oh, they are protecting her. Oh no.
Canary, you know what you have to do! Cover your ears!
Oh, so she has the power.
Told you she had a killer voice.
Harley!
Why did you make that sound? Why did you take the kid? No cops. No cops at all.
Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn.
Okay.
I took your ring.
My ring?
No.
That was nice.
Fuck that guy.
Tacos?
Oh, she has friends now.
Drink, right, kid? Yeah, I wrote it.
So again, you are a cop. We are all bad guys, but you are a cop.
Kid, if that burrito doesn't make you shit, I don't know what will. Give me a minute. Hey! Yes!
It's gonna hurt a lot.
They call themselves the Birds of Prey.
I like them.
Found Bruce. He was wandering around Chinatown. I guess it proves that three of the hyenas really do have 9 lives.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't understand this movie. That's it. I don't know what to say. Like, it's a movie who don't take very seriously at all. I wasn't worried with anything, with any character. Actions, it didn't have any consequences. And the back and forth of time was awful. It's weird to say, but I think I prefer Suicide Squad. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna cut it out, but I stay quiet a lot of the time because I was trying to understand what's going on. What's the point of this movie? Really, the point of this movie, like, saving a girl who swallowed a diamond, that's so... What? Okay, that was my reaction to Birds of Prey and the fabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn. If it has a musical number in the end, I would be much more happier. I think Margot Robbie is an amazing actress and she can do so much better than a character like Harley Quinn. But I really like it that in this one they give a little more depth to her. If you like it, you can subscribe and give it a like. Thanks so much for watching. I have an Instagram and a Twitter in this handle. And bye. And please stay safe in your home if you can. Wash your hands and take care, guys. We're gonna get through this.